Have you ever seen a butterfly with eyes on its wings? This is the peacock butterfly, scientifically known as Aglais io. It is one of the most recognizable butterflies in Europe, thanks to the spectacular eyespots on its wings. These markings resemble the eyes of a much larger animal, and they can help the butterfly defend itself against predators. The peacock butterfly has reddish-orange wings, decorated with 4 large eyespots. The eyes contain shades of blue, yellow, black and white, creating a remarkable pattern. But there is an interesting contrast. When the butterfly closes its wings, the bright colors disappear. The underside is dark brown and almost black, making the butterfly look surprisingly similar to a dead leaf. This provides excellent camouflage when it is resting. The peacock butterfly is widely distributed across Europe and temperate parts of Asia, with its range extending all the way to Japan. It can be found in many different environments, including gardens, parks, meadows, woodland edges, and open countryside. Adult butterflies feed on nectar from a wide variety of flowering plants. But the caterpillars have a very different diet. They mainly feed on stinging nettles. Female butterflies lay their eggs on nettle plants, and the young caterpillars often live together in groups before eventually spreading out as they grow. Another fascinating fact is that the peacock butterfly can survive the winter as an adult. Instead of dying when temperatures drop, it finds a sheltered place such as a hollow tree, shed, building or another protected space, and enters a dormant state. When warm weather returns in spring, it can emerge and start flying again. And there is one more unusual defense. When disturbed, the peacock butterfly can produce a faint hissing or rustling sound by rubbing its wings together. Combined with those enormous eye spots, this can make a predator hesitate. So, beneath its beautiful appearance is a surprisingly clever survival strategy. The peacock butterfly is not just beautiful to look at. It is a remarkable example of how nature uses color, camouflage and deception to survive. And once you know what to look for, this spectacular butterfly becomes almost impossible to mistake for anything else.